Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to do a bloom on a 20 by 24 canvas. I'm using some really different colors for myself. I'm using some browns and some golds, so it's going to be very interesting. Also, I want to show you a few paintings that I've got their finish coats on them. So this bloom here is set to go. They've got 2 coats of spray gloss varnish, so that one's ready. This one is ready itself. I love this color scheme, so beautiful. This was a disrupted open cut pour. This is beautiful. I love this color scheme as well. That's ready. And probably one of my favorite blooms, this bad boy. It's ready to go. So if any of these pieces you are looking to purchase, you can go to my website or you can email me directly. Go to my website at studio15acrylics.com or you can email me at studio15acrylics@gmail.com. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got a 20 by 24 I'm going to paint over top of with my bloom today. I'm going to put down my pillow paint, which is my PPG Multi-Pro. All right, so now that I've got that out, I'll tell you the colors as I put them out. So this here is my Payne's Gray from Creative Inspirations. Got a big canvas, so I want to make sure I got enough paint on here. This here is my Burnt Sienna from Arteza. This is TLP Zeus. This is Amsterdam and Pearl White. This is Cappachino from TLP. This here is some DecoArt metallic gold. Canvas is a little, or my spinner is a little bit off center today. I need to get that fixed. I think today I'm going to use black and white cell activator. Black. White. And black. All right, high fan and cool. Let's blow this out. let's give this a spin. Looking good. Gonna just get rid of this paint off of this. Let's go again. Digging this a lot. I love this color combination, really beautiful. Loving the blues and the browns, just really showing up. Let's go the other way. Got to do a stick test, figure out how much paint is still left on the canvas. Still got quite a bit. Let's give it another big spin. Got a really gorgeous center. That's much better. Really great cells stretched out here. Inside is really cool. Got great lacing. I love the blowout. I love the direction. These browns, just fantastic with the Zeus, Cappachino, just fantastic. All right, I am going to bring you guys down and I'll show you a close-up. All right, everyone, here we are with the wet result. I love this color combination, just beautiful. Look at the blowout, so cool. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. I can't show you dried results because I painted it yesterday and it's still not dry. Do apologize for that, but I'll show you dried results on Sunday's video. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the week and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.